आसा तेच्या बरोबर आनी एक वेसल येयलेली आहा एम्प्रेस म्हणून, जी डॉमेस्टीक वेसल आसा. तितून अरावंड 1400 पॅसेंजर्स आसा आनी अरावंड 600 क्रू आसा. सो अलॉंग विथ ही शीप आनी ती शीप मेळून तांकां एक ट्रेडिशनल वेलकम दवरला आमच्या गोवा टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटान. प्लस तेंच्यो टूर्स जे आसा पळय शेड्यूल्ड आसा ते फूल गोवा भर भोंवतले आयज, आनी कितें गोवाचे आमचे जे कितें नॅचरल सौंदर्य आसा, बिचीज आसा, टेम्पल्स आसा ते पळयतले आनी परतो एक बरो एक्सपिरियन्स घेवन हे शिपार आयज रातचे परते वयतले.
See some temples, maybe a nice beach. I'm looking forward very much.
How much excited to coming in
Pardon?
Goa? How much excited you are in coming to Goa?
Very, very, very. Maybe it's even better than in Mumbai yesterday.
Yeah.
Probably. Sure. I'm very, very happy to be here because I love this country. It's hot, the weather is nice, all the people are really, really friendly, and the food is so good. You see? I love the food, so thank you.
I need to see people. I am here just to see people. I will not visit something else. I need to see people and eat. If it's possible, to swim.
Yeah.
But my priority are the people from Goa.
Thank you.
The atmosphere is like in Cuba, so we are like brothers. Thank you.
I'm very excited. Happy to go to Goa.
Where were
I'm
you?
looking forward to come to Goa.
What do you like to see on Goa?
The temples, the old Portuguese houses, and meet nice people from Goa.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Trip and eventually to a beach or something else.
How much excited coming to Goa? How is your experience in Goa?
Explains or expectations?
Expectation.
Expectation for me. We stayed in Mumbai before and I've learned that the Indian people are very friendly, so I'm excited to visit Goa today.